Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can switch between spaces in the Arc browser. If you have created new spaces, then you can switch between them by using these circles over here at the bottom of the screen. We can click on these dots in order to switch and move between different spaces. We can also go to the top left corner, click on the Arc icon, then go to spaces and then choose the space over here. And as you can see, we also have shortcuts. Depending on how many spaces we have created, we can use the combination of Alt and then number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. However, in my case, it seems to be a little bit bugged. I don't know why. If I try to open my second space, it is bugged for some reason. Perhaps it's just issue on my end, or it is an issue with the browser. But nevertheless, you can use Alt and 1 in order to open the first space, Alt and 2 in order to open the second space, Alt and 3 in order to open the third space, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!